Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Welcome to our channel and thanks for coming. Beautiful summer day. Thanks for coming to our channel. I hope you enjoy what you see today. If you do, please don't forget to click that subscribe button, as 83% of you do not. So we'd really appreciate a subscribe and leave us a comment below. Let us know how we're doing on this channel. So hey, we've gotten quite a bit done since the last time we've been here. We ran into a few complications, but we actually have all of our helical piles in the ground. All of our posts are cut to elevation and all of our beams are up, which we just finished right before you got here. So now that all our beams are in place, I can go ahead and start doing our joist layout, which is gonna take some time. I'm gonna have to set up some scaffolding and figure out where the outside of the deck is and square it to the house, and then do a complete layout across this entire deck so that we can figure out where all of our joists go. Those are all graded and ready to go. So as soon as I get that figured out and get it laid out, we can start hanging framing on the house and start running some joists. So the hardest parts have been done. The ledger's up on the house. Everything's sealed up and taped, waterproof membrane tape. I think that's about all I got for you as far as the update. So come along and join us and see how we start figuring out our centers and our distances and how far apart we put everything. And then we'll go from there. Top of the beam and pull tight. There you go. Especially ones that don't stick very well. But anyway, yeah, it's just a way that we stay hydrated during the day. And then I have another All right guys, so we have all the hardware up as much as we can. We're short some fasteners. I'll bring those next week. But now that we have that done, I just have to finish my layout. Like I told you earlier, it was gonna take some time. Get that done, and then we can start putting joists on part of the deck. And while the guys are installing those joists, then I'm gonna continue laying out the rest of this deck. So that's what we're gonna probably do for the rest of the day. Flavor Flav in there. All right. All right guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Leave a comment below and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Have a great day.